Are you tired of hunting for the Klaviyo unsubscribe link and risking non-compliance? Learn to add a fully compliant unsubscribe link to your email in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through adding a text block, attaching your unsubscribe URL, and centering it for a clean, compliant email. Start by dragging a text block onto your layout, then double-click it to open the editor. Now click the Add Link button to bring up the link options. Click inside the text box and type unsubscribe as the text for your link. Then enter the landing page URL in the destination field. Go ahead and click Apply to save the link. To center the text, click on the Text Alignment button. Then click Center, and you're all set. That's how you add an unsubscribe link. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.